told you. Moon bloom in the room, no sunlight, leaves are folded. Well, I've walked alone for some time. I know my path's quite different. I knew that the real world had tied strings to my fingertips, so I don't have a grip. They all say I am floating past. Oh, her mind has flown. We don't know if it will come back. Outside seems no reason why I should be suffering. Burdens of the night, neon lights always hustling. Well, I've walked alone for some time. I know my path's quite different. I knew that the real world had tied strings to my fingertips, so I don't have a grip. They all say I am floating past. Oh, her mind has flown. We don't know if it will come back. I know that the truth sounds rather strange and hard to bear. I've hurt the ones I love the most, all those who truly care. I said things will move in their time. This I told you.
Hey, here we go. We got the finished product. Super greasy. Don't put oil in there, especially if you had oil in your hair before. And don't just put it all on the top of your head like I did. And if you have peppermint oil, use peppermint oil. But the peppermint tea has been so nice. Like when there's a breeze of wind, it's just like cooling and amazing. And yeah, people, my hormones are getting back in balance. I'm feeling a lot better, slowly reintroducing those carbohydrates. It has been miserable, like absolute misery, feeling like I'm trudging through mud with my energy, with guarding my headspace. I've just been like, why can't I feel excited? What the heck is wrong with me? I'm such a screw up. My body's messed up. I'm awful. I'm wrong. I'm bad. I need to be fixed. I have been running without even noticing it. My subconscious mind has been so mean to me, and I'm finally just giving myself a hug, saying it's okay to cry. In fact, your tears are the closest thing to euphoria, to divine happiness. Your tears are the I'm distracted by looking at myself. Your tears are the closest thing to the ultimate happiness. If we think about a vision of the future, of a memory in the future of such a beautiful, happy time with the people that we love and doing things we enjoy, I hope that vision of the future, it's a vision of me crying. It's a vision of me being so happy that I cry. And recently I've just been like, oh, I love the crying. I love just feeling so utterly ridiculously full of this feeling of such divine gratitude for something so beautiful to happen to me. Like, there's no reason why I should be so sad. There's a lot going for me. I know that I'm gonna be back on my feet. I know I'm gonna be doing lunge jumps and pull-ups and going crazy again, because I know that's who I am. But I've been like creating this story that I'm a failure, I'm wrong, I'm bad, especially as a dietitian, somebody who helps people with their hair loss all the time. I help people balance their hormones all the time. I'm like, why can't I do this for myself? I'm not credible. I'm horrible. Like, I shouldn't be helping people. I can't do this. I can't do anything. What's wrong with me? I've been in a spiral, crying a lot. I've been crying a lot. And that's okay. I've been surrendering to it instead of beating myself up. if I want to cry, I'm gonna cry. And you know what's funny? Having that headspace, it's like all of a sudden I don't want to cry anymore because I feel like it's safe. I'm safe inside myself. I've surrendered and nurtured and hugged myself from the inside. I'm hugging my mind. Ugh. I'm so happy. My basal thermometer, this goes under my tongue. You can get a discount using my code. This is 99.4% accurate for determining fertile versus non-fertile days. It's amazing. I've never seen this before. What gives? Flashing purple, that means I'm gonna get my cycle. With a red light means I'm fertile. Makes no sense because when you're about to get your cycle, you're definitely not fertile. This means I did not ovulate. This means that my cortisol, my stress hormone, is so high that I'm not able to produce enough progesterone to ovulate. And this has been directly reflected in my life, like my headspace, my capacity to sleep, my capacity to work out. And you know, this is a vital sign. This is like is my heart beating? Am I ovulating? Like, this is an important bodily function, and I'm so stoked that this is showing me what's going on with my body. And of course that has to do with hair growth and it's all connected. It's all connected. And now I get to follow my excitement. I get to just chill, binge watch my favorite YouTubers and Netflix, whatever it is. I get to be creative and have fun making videos like this. This is a huge red flag, huge feedback that, hey Katie, you gotta calm the F down and enjoy your life. And if there's anything that I say way too much to my patients and my clients, it's, all right, you gotta prioritize your joy. This life is not about being so anxious and in so much fear around getting everything right and accomplishing all of these things and only eating all of the perfect foods. It's about your joy. It's about, exactly, an exhale. That's what it's all about. So I hope that this inspires you. I hope that we can do some more DIY, like soap, cleaning products, whatever, because I'm so sick of buying all of the chemicals and all of these plastic containers. And I want to be able to take a river shower and not feel weird about using the soap that I have and putting it in directly into the river, because it all goes somewhere. So anyways, I know my hair is a greasy grease ball right now. So don't put any oil in there maybe, but I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. And I hope that you know it's so beautiful and okay to cry. That's a huge, incredible capacity to feel. Like, what a cool superpower that humans have to be able to feel. And that's just valuable feedback that something either needs to change or we just need to love ourselves. That's all it is we just need to accept and love, like truly cuddle and rub your back. Like I'm imagining all those mean thoughts I have about myself, and I imagine like giving them a hug. It's like hurt people, you know? That voice in your head that's hurting you is just hurt. Needs to be loved. That's all. I love you. You're amazing. I hope this video helps somebody. And it's really awkward and fragile and tender and vulnerable for a professional who helps people with these things to admit that I've been having my own struggles. So I hope you still value my advice. I hope that you still see me as a credible person. And all that matters is what I think about myself. So whatever. So much love. Bye.